and welcome back, everybody. If you would like to turn off Google Messages on your Android device, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. You can basically go ahead and do that through your device's settings. Head over and go to your settings for that, open it up. And once you open up your settings, you may just go ahead and scroll to the options and find the option for apps and open it up. And once you open up your apps, you may just go ahead and search for your Google Messages. Look out for the search at the top, or you can scroll to the list and find the messaging application and tap on it and open it up. Now that you've opened up the Messages application, what you need to do next is you may just go ahead and look out for the disable option within the application. You can just go ahead and look out for the disable option or the force stop option and confirm it up. And once you do, it will prevent the app from running on your device. And that is it. Also, what you can do is you can just go ahead and find the messaging application, open up the messaging application, and or you can hold it up and go over the messages settings directly. Let's head over to messages application and open up the settings. Right now we can see this option called set default SMS application. You can just go ahead and change your default messaging application. So you can close this application right here and open up any of the messaging application if you've already set that message during application as the default. And once you open it up, it should give you option to choose a different SMS app as a default. You can just go ahead and choose it up, and that should also do it for you. And that's it, guys. You can follow up this process if you'd like to go ahead and turn off the Google Messages on your Android. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.